Attention.
One tunnel. Tunnel.
Thank you. To west of your position, there's a hostile machine gunner. We've just lost objective Foxtrot. I need repairs now. We show. Your location. There appears to be an enemy LAV. Just neutralized objective Foxtrot.
Wow, I did not know that, Stefan. Stefan,
What?
do you know the map,
Objective Foxtrot has been neutralized.
the Chinese map, where, you know, there's lots of bridges that you can blow up? You know, the one that's got the temple in the middle, the Chinese map? Yeah? Maybe?
Maybe.
Did you know
We now control objective
that you can
Alpha.
repair those bridges once they've been blown up? I didn't know this. I was calling somebody a hacker because I watched them repair it. I was like, what the fuck, how did you repair that bridge? It just miraculously rebuilt itself. Oh my god, it works! I cannot believe that.
Two tunnel.
Objective Alpha has been lost. The objective has been taken. I've spotted hostile AA just south of where you are. We've just lost control of objective Bravo. We've taken objective Alpha. Where's your location?
Ah, there's always one guy on the fucking